Alright, hey crew, today we're going to make apple fritters. Those fun, fantastic donut shop things that aren't donuts. So I have a couple of apples, which I have left from making apple cake the other day. You can find a link to that recipe at the end of this video. Maybe I'll make it pop up over my shoulder. So you want to peel your apples. These are Fuji's. Granny Smiths work really good, or really well rather. Then after we peel them, we're going to quarter them and core them and cut them into little pieces. So that's what's going to happen when I start speeding up the tape right now. Alright, we're back. We got them chopped up. They're of a very non-uniform size, which I think is perfect for an apple fritter. I love that scene in Primary Colors where John Travolta is playing, well, what's supposed to be Bill Clinton, and he's at that donut shop someplace down south, and every 5 minutes the guy working the camera the night shift asks him if he wants some apple fritter? You want apple fritter? You want apple fritter? And finally he caves in and gets one, because ultimately, who doesn't want an apple fritter? So I got a tablespoon of butter in there, about a tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Gonna throw that in there. I'm just gonna soften these apples up a little bit. Alright. They're simmering a little bit, they're making a little bit of noise, they're getting happy. We're going to turn the heat down to low and just kind of let them chill while we make our batter. For our batter, I have a cup and a quarter of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon and a half of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a quarter of nutmeg, and an eighth of allspice. I am also going to add some lemon zest. Yes, I have officially abandoned a traditional apple fritter here. I think this tastes good, so this is why we do it. Just some for flavor. And more than anything, that oil's going to get in there. So I'd say this is about a quarter to half a teaspoon of lemon zest. And we're just going to quick give this a little stir together so those dry ingredients are incorporated. And they are. Now we're going to get ready with our wet ingredients. I have half a cup of milk, using whole milk, a quarter cup of sugar, which I'll put in with my dry, that's fine, 1 egg, and I just want to beat that up before it goes in. Get some synchronized stirring going on here. Alright. We're going to take that now and we are going to rock it into our dry ingredients. I didn't add butter to this because I put butter there. Most recipes will call for about a tablespoon of butter into the batter. So, you just bring the batter together so you don't have dry flour anymore. And it's going to be kind of goopy. That's what it does. And I turn off the heat on this. Actually, I'm going to turn it off. And I'm going to incorporate these apples into this batter here. Switch to a spoon, as you can see. Alright, and now we are ready to go. Alright. We are there, and by hook or crook, we're going to do this. We're going to take little ladles full of our batter and set them on in. Fritters are by their very nature irregular, so don't worry about shape. Alright, this is what they do. They kind of float around. They get fryolated. They take a couple minutes aside. And when you're cooking these, kind of look for it like it's a pancake, okay? Wait for it to look like some of this is getting done up on the top. And you'll be able to look around the edges and try to see if they're crisping up a little bit. You want to make sure your oil is maintaining the temperature that you desire, or close to it. Adjust the fire as necessary. Alright, so now you're looking at these here, right along the edges. You can kind of take a little peek. They're starting to brown. So I'm just going to get in there and turn them over. Alright, and then let them go on the other side. Alright, then once they're done, and you can see by flipping it over, they have achieved their doneness potential. Just go and scoop them out and put them on a rack. Alright, then go get yourself another batch going and keep on repeating until you are done. Okay, and once you have them fritterized, you want to... I made a little glaze here with some milk, some powdered sugar, and some cinnamon. And you just drizzle some of that on top, because why not? And here are our quick apple fritters. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe. Hey crew, welcome to the kitchen. Today we're going to make apple fritters. Those fun, fantastic, delectable things that you get at the donut shop.